Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, welcome to our online class of Shelter Global School and College. Today we are going to learn about articles, which is a very important topics of English second part. What is article? Firstly, we are going to know about that what is article. Article is a, an and the. These three words are called article. These three words are called article. Which words? A, N, the. These three words are called article. Students, now we are going to know how many types of article. Article is only two types. One is indefinite article and number two, definite article. Indefinite article is a and definite article is only the. What is indefinite article? Indefinite article means something not mentioned specifically. When we something not mentioned specifically, only then we will use a and an, and when we are going to something mentioned very specifically, only then we will use the. Now we will learn the uses of article. We use article in many ways. So firstly, we are going to know how to use or where to use a and an. A and an both are indefinite articles and both are mostly similar, but some ways those two are different, and we are going to know where these both are look different. So firstly, we are going to know our rules, that is when words begin with consonant, then we use a. When a word begin with a consonant letter, only then we use article a, which is consonant letter. I hope you all know which are vowel and consonant. Vowel are A, E, I, O, U. These five letters are vowel. Beside these five letters, all letters are called consonant. So I have written some examples for you. Have a look. See, book, cat, dog, fan, gun, hen. These examples are started with consonant letter. See, book, this started with B, which is a consonant letter, and I have to fill these blanks with A. Similarly, cat is start with a consonant, dog start with a consonant letter, fan, F, this is also a consonant letter, gun, it start with Z, this is also a consonant letter, and hen, H, this is also a consonant. So we all understand that all words which are started with consonant letter use A. Okay, see, these all fill in the blanks I have to fill with A, because these all letters are started with consonant letter, and that's why I have to fill the blanks with A. Dear student, see, a book, a cat, a dog, a fan, a gun, a hen. All those words are started with consonant letter, and that's why I fill all the blanks with A. So these kinds of all words which are started with consonant letter, you have to fill the blanks with A. I hope you all are understood when and how we should use A. Now we are going to know when or how we will use N. When words begin with vowel, then we use N. When the word begin with vowel, which letters are vowel? A, E, I, O, U. And I have written 5 examples for you. See, A, E, I, O, U. As the words are started with vowel, so I have to fill the blanks with N. See, an apple, an egg, an ice cream, same as an orange and an umbrella. So what we learn? Again, see, when words begin with consonant, then we use A. Only consonant letters, remember. And when the words begin with vowel, we use N. Remember, vowel. Here you have to just focus on the first letter of the word. Dear students, we have already learned about the basic rules of using A and N. Now we are going to learn some exceptional rule for using A. Exceptional rules means the different cases. See here, the first rule is the words begin with vowels and pronounced as you. Then we use A before those words, not N. This is important, not N. See, those words are started with vowel, but we have to use A, not N. Why? Because the pronunciation is the main fact for these rules. The basic rules of using A and N is vowel and consonant, but for these rules the pronunciation is the main fact. You have to pronounce the word properly so that you can fill the blanks perfectly. See, the first example is European. The pronunciation is European, which is European. See, the word started with E, which is a vowel, though we have to fill the blanks with A. Why? Because only the pronunciation. The pronunciation is European. You have to pronounce properly. The second example is useful animal. This also pronounced as useful. You. Here is the most important thing. The pronunciation of you. You have to very careful. See, useful, and we have to fill the blanks with A. Now the third example is university. This is also pronounced as U. So we have to fill the blanks with A. Then unique idea. Unique idea. You have to pronounce very properly. See again, the all words are started with vowel, but we are filling the blanks with A. Why not N? Because only the pronunciation is important for these rules. I hope you all have understood. Please see the example again. European, which pronounced as U. Useful animal, U. University, U. A unique idea, U. And a uniform. All words are pronounced as U. I hope you all understood. Now we start with second rules. See, when the words are added with 1, we use A before the word, not N. See, for this rule you have to remember only one word, that is 1, which is started with vowel, but we have to fill the blanks with A. This is a exceptional rule for this exceptional word. See, 1 taka note. I have to fill the blanks with A. And another example is one-eyed man. And I have to fill the blanks with A. You remember the word which is very exceptional for article, which one? So, just this only word you can complete these rules, but just remembering this word you can complete these rules. This is a exceptional word for article A. As we have already learned the exceptional rules for using A, and now we are going to learn the exceptional rules for using N. Here have also exceptional rules for using N. Let's see. N is used before consonant with vowel sound. See what I have written. N is used before consonant, but we have already learned that consonant is for A, not N. But as the rules is exceptional, that's why I have written, see again, N is used before consonant with vowel sound. Those words which is started with consonant letter but it sound like a vowel, we will use N. See, I have written some examples for you. See, hour. This letter is started with H, which is a consonant letter, but its pronunciation is hour, which is started from O. It begins with H, which is consonant, but the pronunciation started from O because H remains silent. O is a vowel, that's why it sounds like a vowel. Its pronunciation is hour, that's why we will fill the blanks with N. See another example, honest. Same here, H is silent and the pronunciation started from the O, honest. Here we have to write N, and same as honorable man. Honorable man. This is started with H, which is consonant, but the pronunciation started with O, which is vowel, and it sounds also vowel. That's why we will fill the blanks with N. And see here, this is also a consonant letter, which is M-A. But when we try to pronounce M, which pronunciation comes first? A. How? M. Repeat. M. It pronounced A first, not M. M. That's why we will write here N. See, F-R-C-S. First is F. Same here, the pronunciation comes first as A, which is vowel. F. That's why we have to write N. Again, F-C. Same here, the pronunciation started with A. So we have to write N. And another example is SSC candidate. See, first is S, which is pronounced like A. That's why we are going to write here N, as this word started with consonant, but for only pronunciation we have to write N. Same example, HSC candidates. This is also a consonant, but it sounds as like vowel, so we have to write again N. And X-ray, it sounds as A, so we have to write N. And same X, which sound A, that's why we have to write N. So what we learn? We learn for the exceptional rules is the pronunciation is the most important thing for using articles. The basic rules of using articles for A and N is vowel and consonant. Vowel for N and consonant for A. But for the exceptional rules, here the most important thing is the pronunciation. You must have to focus on your pronunciation for using articles. Dear students, I hope you all have understood the class. If you have any problem, please let us know in comment box. We will try to reply. Thank you so much for attending our class. See you in next class. Till then, stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.